Hello, people. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Taron Innovative World, the home of creativity and exploit. All right, in today's video, you'll be learning something beautiful and interesting. All right, so you can actually make a lot of money out of what you'll be learning. So here at Taron Innovative World, we teach you how to become, self-independent, financially independent. All right, so you'll be learning how to make a beautiful purse. It can serve as a purse, outing purse. A lot it can serve. It has double compartment, front and inner compartment. Okay, so let me just you a little bit about my telegram classes, all right. So in our telegram classes, we teach you different types of handbags, fashion handbags, backpacks, lunch bags, the ones that are not on YouTube, on our YouTube channel. So we teach you a lot of things, on our Telegram classes, whereby we also teach you how to, how many yards of material you need for 100 bags, for 50 bags, for 200 bags, and so on and so forth. And you also have the opportunity of asking questions. Okay, so you always have access, yes, all time access to me. You can always call, chat me up to ask questions pertaining bags making, and how to sell, how to make profit, etc. So if you join our telegram classes, you will be glad that you did, only for 10,000. It's just for 10,000 naira only. So once you pay that 10,000 naira, you'll be taught how to make different handbags. You'll be taught how to calculate, how to become a profitable bag maker. All right, so I'll also be putting you through the processes of how to register your business name before somebody else takes over the name, and so many other things that you stand to gain by joining our classes. So it's just for 10,000 naira only. So if you have been following me on my YouTube, on my Facebook, and on all my social media platforms, you'll notice that there are some bags. Okay, so there are some bags that I said I will be teaching you on my Telegram class. They are not on YouTube. You're not going to find it anywhere. And then I will give you, a comprehensive teaching, how you understand, just the way you have been watching for free on YouTube. If we can give you free videos on YouTube, you can imagine what you stand to gain when you pay just 10,000 naira. So you won't regret it. Why not up into the train while while the stocks last? Okay, up in, pay just 10,000 naira before we increase the price, because let me tell you that the 10,000 you'll be paying is nothing compared to what you stand to gain, because my physical students pay 50,000. Some, if you beg me, I can collect 45k, and then at the end of everything, you still have to pay. You bring some things, but here you're just going to pay 10,000 naira and you have access to me. My physical students do not even have the opportunity to be taught how to price, how to tell their, how to charge their customers. But here you are, because I know that a lot of people are online and they are looking for help. We are there to help you. It's not as if that, it's not like if my physical students should ask for help as to costing, I will not tell them. Yes, it's not as if. But all I'm saying is that you have the chance of becoming who and whatever you want to become in bag making world. All right, so I'll be expecting your call. So you can call or WhatsApp me on +234-80-365-88365, 080-365-88365. All right, so you can call or WhatsApp me on the number so as to ask for my account details. All right, so see you there. Bye bye. All right, so if you're yet to subscribe. Thank you so much. So let's up into the video. Bye. Yes, not bye, but let's get started. Yes, so you're welcome back to my channel. You're welcome to Terran Innovative World, the home of creativity and exploits. So if today is your first time of seeing this channel, please do well by subscribing by clicking that red subscribe button. All right, and also please try and watch the video to the end, because you have a lot to learn in this video, and also in all my videos there's something to learn. There are new things to learn. All right, so please click the subscribe button, and also so as to be getting all notifications whenever I upload a video. So thank you so much. All right, so in today's video we'll be doing some this. This is a purse or a handbag with double pocket. So this is what we'll be doing today. All right, now we'll go in straight into the video. Now these are the things you need for it. All right, so now this is for the front pocket. This is for the front pocket. This is the cover, and then this is for the side. So now you need this. This is a belt or tape. Okay, you need this. You need your material, your main material, and then you need a magic tape. You need a magic tape. You need a magic tape, and then a zip head, and a zip close. So everything that you need, all the materials will be. Just check the description button, the description for everything. You will see it there, the description box. Everything, the measurement of this bag, of the purse, and everything is there. All right, so let's get into the business of the day. All right, now this is my main bag. This is the main bag. All right, so now the first thing I'll be doing is I'll be fixing my zip close. So now this is the face. This is the face of the zip. Make sure you leave a long zip outside, and then you sew it. You leave some there. Okay, so I will remove the remaining. So the remaining should be used for here. So now I'm going to split it open. All right, so now the next thing is I'll be fixing my front pocket. But before then, let me tack the middle. I need to get the middle, the center of the bag. Let me get the center of the bag. Okay, so now I'll be fixing my pocket. So now for this pocket, now the length of this pocket should be the same. I mean, the wideness of here should be the same thing with the main pocket. Then this is the cover. The cover should be 1 inch, smaller than the cover. So it should be like 1 inch, okay, smaller, or 2 inches smaller. Can you see how it is? So see. Now what I'll do here now is, remember this is a cuff, so I'm going to cuff it. So I have my cuff. So now I'm going to be fixing my tape here. This is ready. The next thing is I'll be fixing my magic tape. That's for the cover it. I'm going to be placing my magic tape here, husband and wife. So I'll fix the one of it here. Get the center. Just sew it round. So to now fix the main pocket, okay, I need to plint this one inside. You fold it inside before. So I'm measuring 7 inches. I'm fixing it. This is how I'm going to be putting it. But before this, I'll have to fix this one first. So now this is what I'll do. Measure 2 inches. So place it on 2 inches and sew. So can you see? So here, from here to here is like almost 1 inch, and also this side almost 1 inch, so that you will not have issues when so the next thing is to fix this one. So now I'm doing it like this. So you measure 7 inches. So from here to here is 7 inches. From here to here is also 7 inches. So you sew this one like this. Alright. We're almost there. So we have something like this. No, but remember, we need to fix the wife, or is it the husband? The next thing is to fix, get it, make sure you get it accurately. So you place it this way. So I've gotten where I'm going to be placing it. So I'll be sewing this round. Thing you do it, look at this. So you're sewing like this. I'm going to sew like this. I'm sewing here and here. So you sew the other side as well. In case you are putting picture, you put your picture before you fold it inside. So now I'm plinting here and here, the two sides of the side. You plint it. You plint this and this, get the center. Okay, so now we'll be placing. Now the reason why your cover should not reach here is so that when you are fixing your side, it won't give you problem. So make sure it doesn't get, it's not equal with the main pocket. So like this, the two knotted sides together, and then I also sew the other side. Lift it up and then like this. This is how you fix the other side as well. So you also fix the other side the same way. So also do the same thing. The two knotted sides joined together, sew it like this, and like this. The next thing is to fix the side. So I'm going to completely cut off this side so that I'm going to be fixing my tape right here like this with my tape or belt. You can call it tape or belt. now the next thing is I'm going to be fixing my zip head, so make sure that they are equal. So I'm going to cut off anything that, so this is your zip head, like this, like this. Okay, but we need to also cover this side like this, so just open it a bit like this, then just round it, cover it up, loosen a bit of the side also here. So now the next thing is to sew from here. So I'm covering as long as you want it to be. If you want it to be very long, you continue to, but I don't want it, the handle to be very long. So now the next thing is, you don't leave this open. You now use your belt to still cover it like this, then bone the tip. For this one, all you need to do is our purse is ready. So just bone this tip, that's all. So my purse is ready with double pocket. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. All right, please share to your friends and your loved ones. Also invite them to subscribe to my channel in order to learn a lot of things. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.